In today's show, Bitcoin whole coiners up by 40,000 since the June crash began. That's right, quoting crypto investor Lark Davis, the number of wallet addresses holding at least one Bitcoin has jumped by about 40,000 since the crash started. A lot of people hitting their whole coin goal. Let's go. And this just in, breaking news, Michael Saylor to transition from CEO to executive chairman to focus on MicroStrategy's Bitcoin acquisition strategy. That's right, Michael Saylor will step down as the MicroStrategy CEO, but remains as the executive chairman. Also breaking news just in, proposed U.S. Senate legislation will treat Bitcoin and Ethereum as commodities under the CFTC, according to the Wall Street Journal. That's right, and more breaking news, El Salvador's banking platform Galoy has launched a Bitcoin-backed synthetic dollar pegged to the US dollar, and quoting Mexican Senator Indira Kempis, Bitcoin is a part of my political party's agenda to defend financial freedom. Also in today's show, Bitcoin flashes a rare bottom signal as the altcoin market cap, and one more metric hints at a trend reversal, according to top crypto analyst TechDev, quoting him here, Bitcoin 1 year plus hodl wave, 200-day rate of change peaks over 0.1, 4 signals in 11 years. Also in today's show, stablecoin patterns suggest massive Bitcoin breakout incoming, according to crypto analytics firm Santiment. That's right, the circulating supply of Tether USDT and USD Coin, the two biggest stablecoins by market cap, have been dramatically decreasing since May 2022. Santiment says that the volume of these two assets continues to decline even as the price of Bitcoin rises, which in the past has foreshadowed parabolic Bitcoin rallies. Specifically, in July 2021, right before the king crypto went from the $29,000 level all the way to $69,000. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. All this, plus so much more, in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I do a $50 Bitcoin giveaway every single day. I'll be selecting the winner from yesterday's episode at the end of today's show, so be sure to stick around. And to qualify to win $50 in Bitcoin in tomorrow's episode, all you gotta do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel, Will Smith, that like button, and simply drop us a comment right down below. And today's episode is brought to you by BlockFi, the #1 leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors, and they have an exclusive offer for my audience where you can get up to $1,000 in Bitcoin today when you buy, sell, or trade crypto with BlockFi. That's right, they've been a partner here on the show, ongoing for 2 years, so that's why we have this exclusive offer. And as you can see here, you can trade all the top cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ether, Chainlink, Litecoin, as well as USD-based stablecoins through the BlockFi app. You can trade instantly 24/7, as well as they offer instant trades with ACH, and you can also set up repeat trades to automate your crypto portfolio. Another flagship product of theirs is their BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card, where you can earn 3.5% Bitcoin back on all your purchases within your first 90 days. So go ahead and use my referral link in the description right down below and claim your bonus of up to $1,000 in Bitcoin. And let's get this crypto, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts, podcast episode number 1006. I'm your host, JV. How's it going, my crypto fam? Make some noise in the live chat. Now, smaller Bitcoin investors have found a unique opportunity during the crypto slump to snap up their favorite cryptocurrency. The number of whole coiners has surged by 40,000 since the June slump alone. And according to Look Into Bitcoin, the number of Bitcoin whole coiners has been steadily increasing since January 31st, when the Bitcoin price was around $38,000. However, do keep in mind Bitcoin's price fell around 27% in May and another 40% in June, the same month that saw 25,389 new wallets holding at least one whole Bitcoin. Where my Bitcoin whole coiners at? Make some noise in the comments below. Now, at the time of this recording, Bitcoin's currently trading just above $23,300, down 64% from its all-time high of $64,400 in November 2021, and the number of whole coiners is currently at an all-time high of 891,346 as of August 1st. 2022. Now, crypto investor Lark Davis told his Twitter followers on Monday that a lot of people are hitting their whole coin goal. Quoting him here, the number of wallet addresses holding at least one Bitcoin has jumped by about 40,000 since the crash started. A lot of people hitting their whole coin goal. And in this chart, you can see the Bitcoin wallet size of those holding one Bitcoin or more is at an all-time high. And interestingly, the data shows the number of wallets holding more than 10 BTC, 100 BTC, and 1,000 BTC have started to taper off or even decline during the same period. That's right, and wallet addresses with more than 10 BTC rose by only 600 since May, while addresses with more than 100 BTC have declined by 125, and wallets with more than 1,000 BTC have fallen by 113, which you can see here in this chart. Now, the Bitcoin price has been trending up since mid-July. However, there are mixed opinions on whether the King crypto has already met its bottom or its further downsides are on the way. And I like this comment here. That's 40,000 future millionaires if they can hang on to them for a few years. And quoting crypto trader Bloodgood, the pure multiple is signaling we're in the buy zone on Bitcoin again. Tweeted this back in July 2021 when Bitcoin was trading at $32,700 and ended up making new highs to $69,000. Not saying it's a bottom, but it's a zone where you must accumulate. And before I break down next breaking story of the day, Michael Saylor to transition from CEO to executive chairman, the focus on MicroStrategy's Bitcoin acquisition strategy. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ether, and all the major alts are currently pumping, back in the green with Bitcoin up 2% for the day, trading just above $23,300. We have Ether up 5%, trading above $1,660, while Binance Coin, Avalanche, Solana, which recently got hacked, just FYI, a lot of their wallets, Polkadot, XRP, and Cardano are all pumping and in the green. But all right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Bitcoin maximalist Michael Saylor, the one and only, has announced that he will step down as the chief executive officer of MicroStrategy, the business intelligence firm he helped co-found in 1989. In a Tuesday notice on its second quarter earnings for 2022, MicroStrategy said Saylor would be assuming the new role of executive chairman at the company, while President Phong Le will become CEO. The changes are expected to take effect on August 8th. Quoting Saylor here, I believe that splitting the roles of chairman and CEO will enable us to better pursue our two corporate strategies of acquiring and holding Bitcoin and growing our enterprise analytics software business, Saylor said. And yesterday, August 2nd, he tweeted the following: please join the MicroStrategy management team at 5 p.m. Eastern as we discuss our Quarter 2 2022 financial results, executive transition, and answer questions about our business and outlook for business intelligence and Bitcoin. Phong Le was MicroStrategy's chief financial officer from August 2015 to July 2019 before combining his responsibilities with those of president of the company until May 2022 when he took on the latter role full-time. And according to MicroStrategy, Lee will continue his duties as both president and CEO in handling day-to-day execution of the company's corporate strategies, while Michael Saylor will focus on Bitcoin acquisition strategy and related Bitcoin advocacy initiatives in his role as executive chairman. Now, MicroStrategy reported it held more than 129,699 Bitcoin, worth roughly $2 billion after considering the company's cumulative impairment losses as of June 30th, with total revenues for the second quarter of 2022 coming in at $122.1 million, compared with $119.3 million in the first quarter. Now, the business intelligence firm disclosed to the US SEC that it had acquired 480 Bitcoin for $10 million in June. And amid the market downturn in June, in which the price of Bitcoin fell under 18,000, Saylor said MicroStrategy would continue to hodl through adversity, adding that the firm had prepared for volatility and structured its balance sheet accordingly. And according to the soon-to-be former CEO, this strategy will allow MicroStrategy to post collateral even if the price of Bitcoin falls below $3,562, which is very unlikely to happen. Just got to point that out. An event that happened briefly during the market crash in March of 2020. An investment banking firm, Jefferies, reported on July 26 it had downgraded MicroStrategy's stock to underperform and with a price target of $180. And at the time of this recording, MicroStrategy shares traded at $278, having risen by more than 48% in the last 30 days. So there you have it. What are your thoughts surrounding the Giga Chad himself stepping down as the CEO of MicroStrategy so he can focus exclusively on his Bitcoin acquisition strategy for the company? Let me know in the comments below. And this just in, breaking news: proposed U.S. Senate legislation will treat both Bitcoin and Ethereum as commodities under the CFTC, according to the Wall Street Journal. That's right. If this bill gets approved, that would mean both Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. And check this out: El Salvador's banking platform Galoy has launched a Bitcoin-backed synthetic dollar pegged to the US dollar. Let's freaking go. And quoting Indira Kempis, Mexican senator, Bitcoin is a part of my political party's agenda to defend financial freedom. Very powerful and sexy words. And before I break down next story of the day, Bitcoin flashes rare bottom signal as altcoin market cap, and one more metric hint at a trend reversal according to top crypto strategists. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting just under $1.1 trillion with about $76 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. The current Bitcoin dominance is 41.3%. 20%, with the Ether dominance at 18.7%. And checking out the top 100 cryptocurrency gainers in the past 24 hours, we have Uniswap leading the pack, up about 14% for the day, trading at $9.21, followed by Trust Wallet Token, up 13.5%, trading at $1.09, followed by Optimism, up 13.3%, trading at $1.70. I want to give a quick shout out to iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America and the best place to invest in crypto 24/7 with a crypto IRA. Did you know you can buy and sell 25 plus cryptocurrencies as well as precious metals, gold and silver? There are no monthly fees and only 1% transaction fees. They also offer institutional grade storage. And did you know you can set up your account today with only a $1,000 deposit? So go ahead and do so right now. And if you use my referral link, you're going to receive a $100 reward for funding your account. So go ahead and click the link in the description right down below and let's get this crypto tax-free. And checking out the top 100 cryptocurrency gainers for the past week, you can literally see a sea of green with 99 out of the top 100 in the green and pumping. We have Filecoin up about 60% for the week. We have Bitcoin Gold up 40% for the week. And we have Ethereum Classic up over 39%. And checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 34 out of 100 in fear. Yesterday a 31, last week a 28, and last month a 14 in extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That could be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. But all right, now let's break down our next story of the day. A closely followed analyst is highlighting one key historical metric as an indicator that Bitcoin may finally have set a bottom after an 8-month-long bear market. That's right, the synonymous crypto enthusiast, Tech Dev tells his 400,000 Twitter followers about the significance of the one-year hodl waves, a metric that keeps track of Bitcoin that has remained dormant for over a year. During the 3 prior instances where static Bitcoin peaked in 2012, 2015, and 2019, a rally soon followed. Quoting the analyst here, Bitcoin one-year plus hodl wave 200-day rate of change peaks over 0.1 for signals in 11 years. So as you can see in this chart, this is a pretty big deal. Now the analyst next looks at how altcoins have performed against the US dollar index over nearly a decade while plotting out Fibonacci extensions that suggest altcoins might be primed to move higher if the US dollar currency index falters. Quoting him here, altcoins bouncing from long-term timeline plus prior all-time high. US dollar currency index at long-term timeline plus local timeline plus 1.41 after parabolic move. Possible parabola breakdown after 5 touch points and 1.414 extensions into 2 timelines, watching for further confirmation of the US dollar currency index breakdown and altcoin impulse. So there you have it. Tech Dev wraps up by comparing Bitcoin's relative strength index, better known as the RSI, against the 50 Dow Jones stocks dating back to 2012. Now the RSI is an indicator used by traders to gauge the momentum of an asset's trend, where a falling RSI suggests strong bearish momentum and vice versa. Now Tech Dev provides a chart that shows similar up and down price momentum while highlighting key moments in 2012, 2016, 2020, and this year. Quoting him here on Crypto Twitter, Bitcoin and Dow Jones 50 monthly RSI interactions, which you can see here in this chart. And he also goes on to share here, the quicker equities recover, the quicker I expect Bitcoin to move. And you know I expect equities to move rather quickly. From here, send it. Let's go. And before I break down our final story of the day, stablecoin patterns suggest massive Bitcoin breakout incoming, according to crypto analytics firm Santiment. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 1,200 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and Will Smith that like button and drop a comment below to qualify to win $50 in the next Bitcoin giveaway. I'm going to be announcing the winner from yesterday's episode here shortly at the end of the show. And also, of course, you can follow me on all the major podcasts and platforms, from Spotify, home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes and Google Play. We're currently receiving over 500,000 downloads per month, and my goal is to scale this to 1 million downloads per month. So if you're not tuned into the pod, be sure to check it out. And of course, you can follow me all across crypto Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, and TikTok. So wherever you're at, be sure to plug in and follow me there. But all right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Crypto analytics firm Santiment says that the dwindling supply of stablecoins may be a sign that a massive Bitcoin breakout is on the horizon send it. Now, according to the market intelligence firm, the circulating supply of Tether USDT and USD Coin USDC are the two biggest stablecoins by market cap, which have dramatically decreased since May 2022. Santiment says that the volume of these two assets continues to decline even as the price of Bitcoin rises, which in the past has foreshadowed parabolic Bitcoin rallies. Specifically in July 2021, right before the King crypto went from the $29,000 level all the way up to all-time highs of $69,000 in November. Quoting them here, stablecoin circulation kept going down even on a growing market. We might say that the first significant growth happened on a decreasing circulation. Stablecoins tried to heat up strongly, but no, the market didn't go up. The best pattern could be stablecoins still decreasing during a recovering market, like nowadays when stablecoins don't believe in the recovery yet, preferring to wait. We're probably witnessing the same as July 2021 now, at least on two stablecoins, which you can see here in this chart. And Santiment also notes the Bitcoin's price is now in line with its valuation based on the network to value transaction, better known as the NVT model, a metric aiming to gauge an asset's price based on the ratio between its daily market cap and daily circulation. Quoting them again here, Bitcoin jumped 18% in July after the NVT model's growing bullish divergence in May and June finally saw a price bounce come to fruition with a neutral signal. Now as prices have risen and token circulation has declined slightly, August can move either direction. So there you have it. Which direction do you feel we're likely to move for this month of August? Me personally, I am feeling very bullish right now, so I would not be surprised if we can rise on a nice parabolic rally all the way up to $30,000. Let me know if you agree or disagree. Holla at your boy in the comments below. And now for a quick recap of what I covered with you here in today's show. Bitcoin whole coiners up by 40,000 since the June crash began, as well as Michael Saylor will step down as MicroStrategy CEO, but remain as executive chairman to focus on his Bitcoin acquisition strategy, as well as Bitcoin flashes a rare bottom signal as the altcoin market cap and one more metric hint at a trend reversal. And also in today's show, I shared stablecoin pattern suggests massive Bitcoin breakout incoming, according to crypto analytics firm Santiment. Where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. The winner of today's Bitcoin giveaway is, we have Del Pillar, who wrote, once the printers go brrr again, which will be soon, BTC pump. That's right. Congrats on winning $50 in Bitcoin. Please reply to this message with your Bitcoin address so I can send it to you. Cheers. And to qualify to win $50 in tomorrow's Bitcoin giveaway, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, Will Smith that like button, and simply drop us a comment right down below. Now for the top 3 comments from yesterday's episode, Atanas wrote, JV, thank you so much for the daily updates from years you have been doing. I always enjoyed your BTFD and comments for the stupid politicians who are in power in the United States. Nothing. I am an American like you, and I share your point of view on Jamie Dimon, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and of course, George Soros. Don't change. That's my advice to you. Peace, my friend. Love it, fam. Honor to be connected with you. Wishing you the best. Hodl. Our next featured comment comes from 77 Fussy. As a representative for Satoshi here on Earth, he asked me to pass a message on to JV. He said, yo, JV, just freaking send it. Long live Satoshi. Let's go. Now for our third and final featured comment from Pezza. $50 a day, JV, you legend. JV tackling the cost of living crisis, $50 at a time. JV for president. Well, guess what? When I'm winning, you're winning. So I want to keep winning. And to help me keep winning, all I got to do is make sure to Will Smith that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment. And guess what? If we can get 1,000 likes to this video, I'll give away $100 in Bitcoin versus 50. So let's make it happen. And to be featured on tomorrow's episode, drop me a comment right down below.